everybody, my name is Mackenzie, and today I'm going to show you our FAA-PMA approved seat release cable assembly for Restart Cessna aircraft. Your seat release control is located on the front center of your seat, and you pull the lever to slide your seat forward or backward. When your original fails, you'll want to replace them with our improved assembly. Our seat release cables will last longer than the originals, perform better, and they're more affordable. So far, we have these cables approved for 172, 182, and 206 models that are 1996 and newer aircraft. Each assembly contains two cables attached to this handle with a double knob. The most common failure of the original control is wearing and breaking of the small internal cables connected to the handle that releases the pins at the seat rail. The original cables are life limited because of their small size and wear, as the pilot and co-pilot must release the seats every time they get in and out of the airplane. The .063 inch cables we use provide more than twice the strength and wear resistance of the small .047 inch original cables. Additionally, our seat release cable assembly is fully repairable. If you need to repair our McFarlane assembly, we have part number 7354 available, so you can replace this section here. Our repair assemblies save you almost half the price of purchasing a completely new assembly. We also manufactured the lever and lever housing with machined aluminum and gave them an anodized finish. As you can see here, the Cessna originals are a cheap molded plastic. We installed a low friction metal bushings at all the wear points for longer life. Our cables have a nylon jacketed and polylined conduit similar to our engine controls. The nylon coated wire conduit is stronger and more stable than the plastic tubing used by Cessna. The polyliner makes the control much smoother when operating the cable, even when they're tightly bent under your seat. For comparison, the originals have a plastic tubing, as you can see here, which causes a lot of friction. Overall, our McFarlane seat release cables will last you much longer than the originals. They'll operate easier, and best part is, they cost less than the Cessna version. During installation, you may consider replacing other components as well. Check out our website for additional seat components. If you have any questions or if you'd like to place an order, give our team a call. And as always, visit our website for additional products.